Hello. I'm Edward Kichigin. Okay, I'm not. I'm just a humble friend of him, Giliana, who was able to talk a bit in this video. And have you guessed what it is? Yes, this is Italy. This is Venice. This is column of San Marco. Edward does the sketch very easily and quick as usual, and it's amazing how it could be simple. He uses a pearl pen and good vibes, because the sketch is a mirror of emotions. No details, no accuracy, this is alive in the moment. And and this is a Roman Catholic church and minor basilica located at Punta della Dagana in the Dorsoduro Sistere of the city of Venice again. Chiesa di Santa Maria della Salute. I love Italian spelling. I hope I do it well. Here, Edward uses liners Windsor and Newton. You could see it. You could see that he draws just basic shapes, very simple lines with minimum details. The great part of job is made by accents. 1 2 points could make the form and the whole impression. Check this method and you will able to make beautiful sketches so this world will be more beautiful. The important thing is shadows. They give church, they give the church a depth and a sense of touch. I should say about the absence of accuracy right now because it's so visible in the moment, but it's still so nice and just awesome. Edward is good not only in the sketching, he is also a good teacher. He easily shows your advantages and the way how to use them. By the way, our friendship started from the course of sketching, and I strongly recommend you to find the way to study his course. One of the best things that happened to me last year. Edward lives in St. Petersburg, Russia, and also in a small and cute town Pesaro in Italy. As you could see, he loves it, especially Venice, the most beautiful and impressionant city. He believes that it is the best place for work and life. And the last sketch is also from the Venice Dreams. This time, Edward uses a ParallelPen again, a water-based ink, and a waterbrush. He draws some basic lines and then just blur them. Like this. Only emotions again, the life in the moment. The author is Edward Kichigin, a landscape architect from from St. Petersburg, Russia, and Pesaro, Italy. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to Edward's YouTube channel and just enjoy.